Good morning, everyone. Today is going to be a fantastic day. Me and Jensen are going with some friends to Kansas City for an air show. I got about 4 hours of sleep last night, so this is going to be, yeah, it's going to be a little interesting. I got to get some editing done for last week's video. Before we go, though, I do not have a lot of time to do that. Oh crap. Okay. That was a better idea in my head. That was kind of loud. I'm not gonna lie.
There are orcs, and then there are also rednecks on meth.
Oh, but for 12 ounces. Wait, is that a pound? A large nitro gold. Thank you.
They're cold. Dude, that is
It's just slightly animatronic, so that whenever someone would open the door, then it would just be like, you're like, "Roof."
All right, of course we had to make a coffee stop. Got some cold brew. Good stuff. About to hit the road again. Stopped at this sweet little place. Used to be a blacksmith shop. It's very cool. All right, everybody. Traveling has been going great. Stopped here. Adam is topping off the tank. It's going well. Well, we have made it to the air show. This is particularly less than convenient to have it so windy out here.
Yeah.
I don't even really know how well this sounds. Probably not great, but it should be a good time. Well, everyone, we finished up at the fantastic air show. Been traveling home for a bit now. I haven't eaten in close to 12 hours because I was about to pay for that overpriced food. I said, no, joke's on you. I'm not paying $8 for hot dog.
Almost like they couldn't see by me, myself, and I was homeschooled. I was homeschooled. You could be second verb, Miss Ohio. $7 bills, roll inside a plastic billfold. Buy you a bigger
They might have sweatshirt.
Brian?
Says on this side. You're right.
Hey, is everything okay?
Finished up our fantastic Chick-fil-A. Now just about an hour more, and then we're home. It's been a fantastic day. I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here, guys. Thank you everyone so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you everyone for watching. I will see you next week.